Thanks for tuning into the channel. Just approaching the notorious Fisherman's Path crossing. It's a windy one today. Storm Debi. So I'm just walking along Fisherman's Path now. Gonna walk to the beach. This path takes you straight to the beach and over the dunes. Yeah, so Storm Debi, they've actually given a warning of danger to life between 10 AM and 4 PM along the coast. They forecast 60-mile-an-hour winds and over along the coast today, but it's not cold and it's not raining. Storm Debi's brutal. Those winds on the beach then, it's like a sandstorm. Ended up with loads of sand in my eyes. I've just come into the woods. I'm going to try and make myself something to eat. Just using the Trangia and the bushbox and the titanium cook set again. Yeah, the winds are brutal in here. When I was walking along the beach then, it felt like the wind was going to sweep my legs from underneath me. The winds were that strong. So I had to get off the beach as fast as I could really, because the sand was just blowing in my face and in my eyes. The GoPro's full of sand now. So hopefully I can chill here for a bit and get some food on. I'm using the Titanium Military Canteen again. Just got myself some mushrooms, onions, and some chilies here. And I'm going to add some Stag chilli as well, Dynamite stag chilli. Yeah, I keep hearing branches landing around me and pine cones, so hopefully I don't get hit on the head. Smells lovely, that mushroom now. Mushroom, onion and chilli there cooking away. I just had a little bit of oil and butter. Now time to add the chilli. Dynamite hot stag chilli. Well, I think that's done now. I'm really looking forward to this. Smells lovely. Not a bad little spot here. It's not completely sheltered, but it's a lot better than being on the front. Got these hills here. Nice flat ground. Could be a nice little spot for the camp, this. Yeah, I'm just going to enjoy this chilli now. It tastes lovely. Especially we've added in the mushrooms and onions as well, and the chilli. Just going to sit here and enjoy this. Right, so that's me packed up. Leave no trace as always. Yeah, really enjoyed that chilli. Had a nice kick to it as well, especially with the added chilli, onion and mushrooms as well. Really tasty. I know Burton Outdoors likes to use the old stag chilli sometimes as well in his camps. So yeah, shout out Burton Outdoors. Right then. Yeah, there's a lot of branches falling and pine cones, so I don't fancy getting hit on the head with one, so I'm gonna make my way back. You can see where trees have snapped from past storms. You see where a lot of branches have snapped and fell along the path here. Still really windy.